Good morning. Welcome to this week's edition of Tech Tuesday by the Red Baron of Real Estate. Today we'll be talking about the law of supply and demand and its effect on price in real estate.
This is the law of supply and demand. Many factors come into hand. Point of view of demand from consumers. Point of view of supply from suppliers. Supply, demand, supply, demand.
Okay, so for today we're going to discuss the effect of law of supply and demand and as it relates to prices in real estate. We're going to focus on these four meters right here. Two of them actually happen to represent the supply side of listings, and these two are the demand side of active listings, okay, for sale properties. So let's take a look at the new listings. You'll notice that the needle is all the way full gas over to the right. And the reason we have that is that we have a 5-year average of 2280, which means that it falls right into this range here as a 5-year average, but we ended up with new listings of a whopping 2,720 new listings. Now, if we'd have looked at this chart just a few months ago, earlier in this year, the needle would have been further down on the red part because we did not have as many active listings as we have right now. So yes, the supply has gone up as relative to the number of active new listings for last year. But there's another side of it. Now let's look at the demand side. We see over here new pendings. The 5-year average is 2366, which would be somewhere in this lavender purplish color here. But we had 2,877 new pendings, which throws the needle all the way to the right. Now, if we look and see for June the number of new pendings versus new listings, we have 2,877 new pending contracts and less than that as far as new pendings of a number of 2,720. Then when we couple that with the number of contracts closed, which has a 5-year average of 1871, and a June 2015 number of closes of 2386, again the needle pushes all the way to the right. So we can see from the 4 meters here with 3 of the needles all the way to the right, one thing that we can conclude right out of the gate is that the number of new listings and active listings is not keeping up with the number of buyers that are in the market. So how does that affect price? Well, let's take a look at that. Right here we have an average average sold price of $236. That is a year-over-year increase of 11.29% and a 4.5% month-over-month increase. So prices really jumped big in the month of June. Even the median price was affected. Look at this, $185,000 was the median price year-over-year, 11%, and a 2.6% month-over-month. When we take down this last chart, we can see what's been going on for the last 12 months. We can see that starting in January of 2015, we saw a rapid increase in market activity as measured for new closings. And if we look at this, the change from June of 2014 to the number of closings in June of 2015 is up close to 27%. That's why we see prices increasing. And that's the law of supply and demand and the effect on price in real estate. I've got a data report that's on a link below. If you'd like the complete data report and other information, just simply click that link and you will be able to access that report. Also, if you want to see other types of blogs and other social media information, please like my Facebook link page, the Red Baron of Real Estate, and you'll find a lot of useful information there as well. Next week, we'll be talking about the effect of these numbers and what it means when it comes to negotiating price between buyer and seller. We wish you a good day, and remember, we provide safe real estate landings. This is the Red Baron Real Estate signing off until next Tuesday.
Point of view of supply from suppliers. Supply, 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 demand. Supply, 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 demand.